On this page, we're just going to practice neatly copying numbers into the place value charts, lining up our decimals, our place value units, and then adding. And so this is just practice copying problems down neatly and accurately and adding. Let's do a few together. And together we're going to do the problems on the far right of the page. So problem 3, 6, 8, 9. We'll do 9 and 10. 183 and 6/10 plus 52 and 5/10. 183 and 6/10. 183 and 6/10. So I'm going to start with my hundreds. 183 and 6/10. Now check that you copied it correctly. 183 and 6/10. So good so far. Plus 52 and 5/10. 52 and 5/10. 52 and 5/10. Check that you copied it correctly. 52 and 5/10. Good. Remember, you want to minimize those rewrite errors. I will need to regroup here as well as here. I will need to regroup in the tenths as well as in the tens place. And so let's just go ahead and add left from the right. 6 plus 5 is 11, so that's 11/10, or 1 and 1/10. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So that's 6 units. 8 plus 5 is 13. And so that's 13/10, which is 130. And then 100 plus 100 is 200. Very good. On to the next problem. You need to read it. Read the number 3 times before you write it. 10 and 1/10. 10 and 1/10. 10 and 1/10 plus 312 and 4/10. So 312 and 4/10. 312 and 4/10. I don't need to regroup, and so I could add going left to right or right to left. I just add left to right. 300, 1 plus 1 is 2, 320, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Now this one, there are 3 numbers to be added. There are 3 add-ins. 90 and 7/10 plus 335 and 4/10 plus 258 and 6/10. It's important that I keep my digits lined up. I have to line up my tens place, my hundreds place, my units place, my tenths place. Every place value unit must match before I can add them. So I'm going to read each number 3 times to make sure that I know what I'm writing. 90 and 7/10. 9 tens and 7/10. 9 tens and 7/10. Check that you have written it correctly. 90 and 7/10. Good. Cover that number up. Go to the next one. 335 and 4/10. 335 and 4/10. 335 and 4/10 plus 258 and 6/10. 258 and 6/10. That's 258 58 and 6/10. All right. I can tell at a glance that I'm going to need to regroup 3 times, and so I'm going to start adding from the right. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So I have 17/10, or 1 and 7/10. 5 plus 8 is 13. Any number plus 0 is that same number, so 13 plus 0 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So 110, 4. 1 plus 9 is 10. 3 plus 5 is 8. So in my tens column, I get a total of 18, which is 110, 8. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And so I get a total of 684 and 7/10. And I'd like to do one of these. Let's do one of these together, as well as this one. 9 plus 33 and 4/10. 9 is the same thing as 9 whole units, or 9 and 0/10, plus 33 and 4/10. So 9 whole units, 9 whole units, which is the same thing as 9 and 0/10. Sometimes it's more clear. I won't say the E word. It is more clear if you write in 0 as a placeholder. You do not have to write it, but it's really best practice. And so because you're in Miss Ali's 4th grade class, yes, write the 0. Mathematically, the 0 does not have to be there. Because you're in the 4th grade, Miss Ali says the 0 has to be there. 33 and 4/10. 33 and 4/10. 33 and 4/10. 0 plus 4 is 4. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1, 2, 2. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So that will be a total of 42 and 4/10. 42 and 4/10. And so 12 and 1/10. 12 and 1/10. 12 and 1/10 plus 28 and 0/10. Because remember, you're in Miss Ali's 4th grade class, you have to write that 0 there. Alright, now I'm going to start adding in my 10th place. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So I get a total of 40 and 1/10.